Hello, welcome back to the channel. Here at K's Forever Home Design, we love to help you create a home that feels beautiful, welcoming, and effortless to live in. And today, we're talking about one of my favorite things, refreshing your home for spring. Spring is such a wonderful season for decorating because it's all about renewal. As designer William Morris once said, have nothing in your houses that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful. I think that's the perfect approach for a fresh start this season. So, if you're ready to bring a little bit of that fresh, airy spring feeling into your home, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about some simple, affordable, and beautiful ways to refresh your space. One of the easiest ways to make your home feel fresh for spring is to swap out heavy textures for lighter ones. If you've been curled up in thick knit blankets all winter, now's the time to bring in soft cotton or linen throws. Switch out velvet or dark-colored pillows for something in soft pastels or crisp whites. And if you have heavy drapes, try sheer curtains to let in more natural light. It makes such a difference. Another quick refresh? Declutter and clean. Pack away the things that feel too heavy or dark for the season, and a quick dust will give your space some breathing room. Even just rearranging a few pieces of furniture can make your home feel new again. Spring is the perfect excuse to introduce fresh colors into your decor. Soft greens, warm neutrals, delicate pinks, or even a pop of sunshine yellow can instantly brighten up a space. And the best part? You don't have to repaint a whole room to get the effect. Just add a few throw pillows, swap out your wall art, or bring in a pretty vase in a springtime shade. Even something as simple as a new table runner or set of placemats can give your home a fresh, seasonal look without a big commitment. Nothing says spring like fresh flowers and greenery. Tulips, daffodils, and cherry blossoms are all beautiful choices this time of year. If you prefer something long-lasting, a good quality faux arrangement can be just as stunning. And don't forget about houseplants. A simple potted fern or a trailing pothose plant adds a natural touch that makes any space feel fresh and alive. Spring is all about softness and light, so this is a great time to bring in woven textures, natural woods, and botanical prints. Think wicker baskets, natural wood trays, and floral patterned accents. Even small swaps, like switching out a dark lampshade for something lighter, can make a space feel more open and fresh. Your entryway sets the tone for your whole home, so why not give it a little spring refresh? Invest in a new doormat, a pretty spring-themed wreath, or even a few potted plants by the door can instantly make your space feel more welcoming. Inside, try swapping out heavy decor for something lighter, a mirror, a fresh bouquet, candles, and a few books add in a stylish touch. I always say that scent is one of the easiest ways to set the mood in your home. Spring is the perfect time to trade in warm, spicy winter scents for something light and fresh. Add candles or diffusers in scents like citrus, lavender, or fresh linen. And don't forget, sometimes, the best way to refresh your home is to simply open the windows, let in the fresh air, and enjoy the natural light. It's amazing what a difference it makes. Here is some more inspiration for your spring decor. I hope this gave you some inspiration to bring a little springtime freshness into your home. I'd love to hear how you refresh your space for the season. Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new decorating idea. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Wishing you a beautiful, refreshing spring season in your home.